Hello everyone, my name is Akaya. I am a hairstylist. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be doing two-strand twist on my client's locks, and then we'll be adding some curly pieces, some curly hair pieces. Guys, when I say I am so excited for her, y'all, she has been locked for 5 years. It's her anniversary, and it's also her birthday. So she wanted to be able to do a new style. And I knew everyone was doing this style, so I wanted to try it on her. But that will be actually in another video. But this video, I'm just going to be showing you real quick how I do two-strand twist on my client's locks. This is a great protective style. When I say this, make your retwist last for a long time, and not only make your retwist last for a long time, but once it's time to, I say keep it in for about a month, and then you get you a nice curly, crinkly, curly hairstyle. So it's really two styles in one, but this time it's gonna be three styles because, like I said, I'm gonna be adding some curly boho hair to it by YG Wig. So please make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button. So once I do come up with that video, come out with a video, you'll be able to get to see the whole full process. But again, just wanted to show you guys real quick, a quick and easy style to be able to do if you are just trying to get something new done with your locks. And now I'm actually adding the rubber band to the end. I like to only go around 2 to 3 times, no more than that. And there we go, guys. I am done with this style. Like I said, it's a step 1, step 2, and I'll come back, guys, and let you know how I'm going to be adding the curly hair. If you're looking for a loctician, contact me now. Be blessed, guys. Subscribe for more.